Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean white sneakers at home, step by step. This method is simple, effective, and affordable, perfect for anyone who wants to bring those sneakers back to life. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, take off the laces and insoles, if removable. This will make it easier to clean all those nooks and crannies. Set the laces aside because we'll clean those separately. Now, give your sneakers a quick dust off with a dry brush or cloth to remove loose dirt. This little step goes a long way in preventing dirt from spreading during cleaning. In a small bowl, mix 1 part mild detergent or dish soap with 2 parts warm water. If your sneakers are really dirty, add a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural abrasive that's safe for most materials and has been a trusted household cleaning agent for decades. It even got a shout out in a 2021 review by Good Housekeeping. Using your soft bristle brush, dip it into the cleaning solution and gently scrub the surface of your sneakers in circular motions. Be thorough but gentle to avoid damaging the material. Pay extra attention to areas like the soles and any stained spots. For stubborn stains, sprinkle a pinch of baking soda directly on the stain and scrub again. Take a damp microfiber cloth or sponge, dip it in clean warm water, and wipe down your sneakers to remove any soap residue. Avoid soaking them, as too much water can damage certain materials like leather or suede. Now that your sneakers are clean, stuff them with paper towels to help them maintain their shape as they dry. Place them in a well-ventilated area, but avoid direct sunlight, which can cause discoloration. They should be drying in about 24 hours. Let's not forget those laces. Mix a bit of detergent with warm water in a small container and let the laces soak for 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, rinse them under cold water and gently squeeze out excess moisture before hanging them up to dry. If your sneakers are machine washable, toss them into a mesh laundry bag, add a small amount of mild detergent, and wash them on a gentle cycle with cold water. Never put them in the dryer, though, air dry only. Once your sneakers are dry, you can tackle any leftover scuff marks using a magic eraser sponge. Finally, spritz them with a protective sneaker spray to guard against future stains. These sprays work wonders, as shown in tests conducted by Wirecutter in 2022, which found they added significant durability to sneakers. And there you have it, your white sneakers are looking fresh and ready to hit the streets. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips, and share it with a friend who needs a sneaker rescue. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest sneaker cleaning challenge? I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.